In this video, we are going to talk about how to make $100 per day. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Are you confined to a work that you detest from 9 to 5? Or perhaps I should say that you detest it and detest wasting your time? Are you trying to find a new, simple, and better approach to make $100 every day? Why not conduct it online then? The internet really is the best tool for producing money in the 21st century. This video will expose you to simple methods for making money online, some of which you can master in less than an hour a day. So, let's see what I've got in mind, shall we? Paid surveys. Taking paid surveys is a simple internet side job you may do to earn money quickly. Did you know that there are numerous websites out there that invite you to participate in surveys in exchange for payment? Even though it's not the most lucrative endeavor, since it's so simple and accessible, it's worth a try. Don't be concerned about the authenticity of this source of income. Paid surveys are entirely legal, and hundreds of companies employ them now. The internet enables businesses to connect with people who can give them with trustworthy data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach, and this helps them improve their products and services as well as develop new ones. Yes, you play a role in this. Giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it is what a paid survey is all about. 2. Freelance writing. You should absolutely pursue freelance writing if you have strong writing abilities and can swiftly pick up on a variety of various themes in a short amount of time. You can earn less than $100 per day or more than $100 per day, depending on the volume of work, the client's budget, and the type of work. The majority of word count requirements fall between 1,200 and 2,000 words, however some are less than 500 words. There are several websites available today where you can look for freelance work. Simply register and declare your qualifications is all that is required. Some of the websites might want a sample portfolio. 3. Write sponsored posts. The definition of sponsored posts is quite obvious. In essence, organizations and businesses pay you to post positive things on your website or blog about them, their services and/or products. You should discuss a product or a brand you like, explain how you utilize it, and let your readers know how they may gain from it as well. The niche you write about, how frequently you produce sponsored pieces, who pays you, etc., are all aspects that will determine how much money you make. Payments range from a few $100s to several $1,000s each post, but if your site has a lot of traffic, payments can reach tens of thousands of dollars. 4. Consultation and Coaching. Coaching is a fantastic method to make money online, provided you're an authority in a particular industry. If you first put some effort into developing your brand online through your website, this usually works pretty effectively. People will start approaching you on their own once they start to trust you and understand that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. They'll want to know how you got to where you are and how they can use the same strategies for their own startups or well-established businesses. At first, you might feel inclined to offer advice for free, but as more people come to you, you'll be compelled to start charging for appointments. 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a rather simple method of earning money online. This only works if you have a certain level of competence in the subject matter and can articulate why you are producing the ebook. However, you can also write something more concise, such as an online tutorial or guide. Meal planning and workout routines can be created if you work in the nutrition or sports niches, respectively. These days, it's really simple to promote and distribute ebooks. Yours can be offered for sale on your website, through Amazon, and of course with social media platform promotion. Additionally, you can create a particular kind of digital subscription in which you serialize your knowledge or experience, offer step-by-step instructions, and continuously produce new content for your members. 6. The Google AdSense requires a website, but offers a daily income of $100. Google AdSense is a digital advertising platform created by Google for use by bloggers, website owners, and YouTubers who wish to monetize their content using Google's advertising. It's a relatively easy approach to make money online. After registering for the program, Google will provide you with an AdSense code, which you must copy and paste onto your website. The end of that. From that point on, Google handles the majority of the labor, and you are compensated for each ad click. Naturally, your niche will have an impact on the performance of your AdSense program. Ads for financial planning, insurance, and online education typically generate more revenue than those for categories like electronics, fashion, retail, cuisine, fitness, and health. Google AdSense is free to join. Furthermore, the requirements for membership are quite flexible, so you can still apply even if your blog or website is brand new. Additionally, they provide a variety of ad formats, including text, rich media, animated pictures, and video. One AdSense account can be used to run the advertising for multiple websites. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing history on YouTube in order to use AdSense. 7. Create online courses. Similar to coaching, offering online courses requires a deeper knowledge of a certain subject or set of skills. Online courses have emerged as a mechanism for people to continue learning and stay connected due to the need for social seclusion and the general concern the epidemic has sparked. As a result, your expertise is likely to be much more valued today. There are many websites available that can assist you in creating your own online course. The best examples include Udemy, possibly the most well-known website for online courses. Udemy offers you a sizable platform to showcase your skills and knowledge. Teachable is a website where you can build your own online courses and provide coaching services. To help you understand how to get started more quickly, Teachable even provides a free webinar. Another fantastic website that provides a variety of categories to both interested students and professionals looking to teach online is Skillshare. Sell physical products online. It's not a bad idea to invest in your craft and attempt selling your works online if you're incredibly creative, enjoy it as a pastime, and/or are very skilled at it. Whatever it is, there is a spot on the internet for it, whether it be handmade soaps, handmade candles, handmade jewelry, t-shirts, shawls, various articles of apparel, mugs, or illustrations. Work as a virtual assistant, VA. As a virtual assistant, you may provide the support that bloggers and owners of internet businesses need. You'll need to do some admin work and post on social media, but it's often a simple job that you can do from home. You can even provide customer service. Your employer's needs will determine the specifics of your job description. In order for business to run properly, you'll take care of whatever your employer requires right now. Therefore, before looking at specific job offers and deciding which ones you want to apply for, you should first assess the industry as a whole and determine whether you want to work there or not. On the same websites that advertise freelance work, some of which I listed in the section on freelancing writing, you can look for VA jobs. Buy and sell websites and domain names. Yes, occasionally making a lot of money through domain and website trading is possible. Check out Flippa, a service that provides websites, applications, and digital real estate if you want to look for websites to buy and then sell, like online businesses. In general, trading websites are a reliable source of passive income. How does it function? Well, it is simple. Site owners may run out of time to maintain their website or grow bored and go to something else. You can help with that, especially if you don't want to build a website from scratch. You can generate money from already running advertisements, or you can try to buy a cheaper site and expand it so that you can sell it for more money or keep it if it makes money for you. The purchase and sale of domains is another concept. Some websites simply have amazing keywords or word combinations, while some grow popularity over time, whether on purpose or not. Similar to websites, you purchase a cheap domain and later sell it for a higher sum. What do you think of this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.